Request attention of Honorable Judges of Supreme Court of India, Honorable Judges of High Courts, and Police Chiefs Prosecution and Deterrent of Falsifier and Mollified Complainants, and Police Accountability in invoking penal sections in the First Information Report, FIR. The issue is of falsifier complainants who are misusing the spirit and design of laws and its provisions for their underlying motives, thus subjecting their innocent prey to anguish, harassment, intimidation, and even extortion besides damaging their reputation. It has been found that in order to fulfill the ulterior motives, a deceitful person can go to any extent of the conspiracy by lodging First Information Reports, FIR, to police based on the concocted versions and thereby implicating innocent persons. Ironically and unjustly, issues arrived and reported with a hidden background of jealousy and vindictiveness due to rivalry, personal animosity towards someone, disputes in the matrimonial relationship, personal disputes, and business transactions of civil nature between two individuals are considered as a crime against state. Evidently, the published reports on crime statistics from the National Crime Records Bureau of India suggest that substantial false and vexatious FI have been registered by guileful persons who seem to have lost the fear of law and the consequences of their outrageous actions. Such fraudulent complainants are blatantly abusing the process and willfully obstructing the criminal justice system. The menace of false reporting deserves no leniency and will only stop when all fake complainants are mandatory and obligatory punished by police and courts in every such case. The law makes it mandatory for police to register all cases reporting the commissioning of cognizable offenses. However, the author is appalled to observe that many times the police officers deliberately invoke such harsh penal provisions, which are impertinent and irrelevant, even if taken in the face of allegations. At times, the district police chief, who are mostly from the Indian Police Service, IPS, cadre, do reportedly instruct the station in charges to invoke lesser or harsh provisions of laws to oblige those in powers or even favor their friends or acquaintances. While the majority of police officers, including senior IPS cadre, are honest, professionally trained, and committed to their duties and acting fairly, but few among them lack the level of integrity that is expected from them at such a high level in public service and act in a partisan manner, thus having far-reaching prejudicial effects on the life and liberty of public. Such senior erring police officers convey the wrong message to their subordinate station in charge and tarnish the image of police in the eyes and esteem of the public. The fair criminal justice system of any democratic country cannot afford to keep such erring police officers in service, irrespective of their ranks or cadre. This arbitrary and unchecked powers of police in invoking a penal section in the First Information Report, FIR, seems unfair and concerned police officers should be held accountable for any misuse of such powers. This is my humble request to issue appropriate directions to police chiefs across India on this issue of significant public interest. Thank you very much. Source: excerpt from the book title, Not Guilty Fabricated Implication Report, FIR.